Hello everybody, it's Tracy and welcome back to my channel. So today's project that I would like to share with you is for a swap, and I am in Scrapdaworld's Swap-A-Palooza swap for the month of March 2019. And so what the Swap-A-Palooza swap is that you have a choice to do swaps that you previously did. And so she gave us a selection of swaps to choose from, and I chose the Turned Up gift set swap. Okay, so basically I had to make a tag, a handmade fabric flower, send 3 different pieces of coordinating laces or trim, and they all had to be 24 inches long. I had to make a set of 2 embellishments, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so first of all, let me show you what paper I used. I used the Poetic Rose collection by Prima, and it is gorgeous. My favorite of the new collections. Alright, so let me show you what the swaps look like. They come in these envelopes that I created, and of course I used many other things, but I always show the paper. So this is the envelope. Sorry, yeah. And my lighting, of course, is crazy because it always is. I do not have professional lighting, and I don't think I ever will. Okay, so this is the envelope, and oh, okay, I show you this because we have to have our info on the envelope or on the swap. But this is my prototype, and I didn't bother to do that because this is staying with me. Alright, so what I did is I just created the envelopes, and I added some doilies and the journaling cards to decorate the envelope. You open it, opens with Velcro, okay, and inside are the goodies. So let's see, what will I show first? Okay, so we had to make a simple tag, and or I guess it could have been as not simple as you wanted, but I decided to make mine simple so that anybody could use it for whatever they want. Alright, so what I did is I used a cat scrappiness die to cut the tag out. I used some spray, and that's Lindy Stamp Gang spray, and I used a doily to get the design for the background, and then I used a Unity stamp set to stamp it, the bird cage and the sentiment, and then I embossed it. And hopefully you can see the shimmer. I used shimmer Versamark ink to get that shimmer. Have a little seam binding and just a little dangle here to pretty it up. And then the back is plain. I did spray it, but it can be written on. And yeah, it's just a cardstock that I used for that. Okay, and next are the trims. So I have 3 trims here. Oh, and by the way, my theme is shabby chic. So I made another tag, and this one is much sturdier. I used chipboard for this because I was using it for this to wrap the trim on. So here we have some, guess I can show you This one's mine. Have some pretty trims that I pinned on here, and so then we have that one with the pink and then the more traditional lace. Okay, so that's that. Next is the embellishments, and I had so much fun creating these. I used my die, the Planks die by Tim Holtz, for this, and I embossed it with this embossing folder, which does not come with the die. This is separate. I don't know why they didn't include a wood grain embossing folder with the die, but they didn't, so whatever. And I used the word beads from Michael. See if I can open this to show you. So on the outside, as you see, I just decorated the top with a topper and a bow. And this is what I created using the plank die, and I whitewashed it, and I added some lace and some flowers and some pearls and the word beads, and they are just cute little embellishments that you can put on anything, and I love them. Okay, so those are the embellishments. The last thing that we were required to make was a flower, a fabric flower. And so what I did is I used trim, lace trim, to make this flower, and a fancy button, and the leaves are made from felt. And this is the re-stickable glue dot, and that's the back. Okay, loved making that. And then everybody got a goodie, and which is a set of 2 embossing folders. Okay, so that is my swap, and I had so much fun creating it. I love how everything came out. And Tamika, once again, thank you so much for a fun swap. So everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye bye.